When you talk about the Republic of South Africa, you are talking about ubutsotsi. EUN in 1974, they declared South Africa as crime against humanity. They were not talking about individual. They were talking about a system which is still well and alive today. Sawukwazi ukukhalela umhlaba ungadestroy le system. Le system here, okhokho bethu, or our fathers, they knew when they took a conscious decision, they want to preside over this theft. All of them, from Nkwame Nkrumah, they knew exactly what they were doing. Ukuthi they were locking umuntu omnyama into this thing. And that will take forever.
Weren't our ANC leaders aware when they were taking
They were all of them, they were aware. And remember, Kuti South Africa, when you talk about the Commonwealth, you're talking about countries that belong to the Queen.
Facts.
South Africa still belongs to the Queen. It means Ukuthi ANC and everybody, when they negotiated Namabunu, who were managers of the system. They were managers of the system. The real owners. Into kusamele ihlakazwe lapha eParliament ukuthi uQueen, she's still the head of this country.
Is that the reason why njalo when we've got a new president
Baya lapho. Mawuqeda nje ukuba ipresident, mele uye lapha eBritain.
Yes.
Uyoswera lapha kuQueen ukuthi I'm not going to touch your investment. I'm not going to touch, the issue of the land. The ANC had the 2/3 majority. Did they change the constitution
No.
to bring back our land?
No.
It didn't. Why? Because that would have upset the Queen. So everybody who sits in that president, they know very well that they are perpetuating the colonization of black people. There's nothing good that can come out of that structure. That structure has to be dismantled.
Are you saying Uguti, it doesn't matter who becomes president, the system continues?
Bangashintana baze babe 100, umuntu omnyama will remain like this as long as the system, still stands.
Having said that, Andile Mkutama said something along those lines. Ngambuza nange president yakabab Jacob Zuma, and then he mentioned something along the lines of nangikhuluma ngokuthi president yakhe beyinjani ubaba. Wakhuluma ngokuthi yingakho beba against yena kanje. Is iqiniso lelo?
Iqiniso, it means ukuthi you see umsholozi somehow kuye kwaba nenkinga ngoba they could no longer control him. You understand? It means umsholozi ukhetha abanye abantu ukuthi bamsurround. Meaning ukuthi the old guard was no longer having access. Yingakho bo Rupert were mad.